Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Red Dead Redemption Netflix not working on Android and solve crashing black screen and loading issue easily.
Fix 1. Clear Netflix app cache and data. Step 1. Go to Settings, Apps, Netflix. Step 2. Tap Storage and Cache. Step 3. Tap Clear Cache, then Clear Data. Step 4. Reopen Netflix and try playing the game or video again. Fix 2. Update Netflix app. Step 1. Open Google Play Store. Step 2. Search for Netflix. Step 3. Tap Update if available. Step 4. Restart your device and check if it works. Fix 3. Check Android system updates. Step 1. Go to Settings, System Update. Step 2. Install any available updates. Step 3. Restart your device and try Netflix again. Fix 4. Reinstall Netflix. Step 1. Uninstall the Netflix app from your device. Step 2. Go to Google Play Store and reinstall Netflix. Step 3. Sign in and test Red Dead Redemption streaming. Fix 5. Free up storage and RAM. Step 1. Delete unused apps or files to free storage. Step 2. Close background apps to free RAM. Step 3. Relaunch Netflix and test again. Fix 6. Check internet connection. Step 1. Use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data for better stability. Step 2. Restart your router if connection is slow. Step 3. Try streaming again.